Hey, this is Carl of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my Stone Cold Super Lock of the Super Century or the Super Bowl. You know why I'm here. Super Bowl Sunday is the most important day of the year for planet Earth. Africa, Mexico, and other places I don't give a crap about, they're gonna join hands and watch the tube so they can see how a real country pounds the rock. Seriously though, it's the only football game where I try to keep my beer balls on a leash so I don't slur my heckles at the TV set, out of respect for the dignity of the game. Heckles like, hey, DOT, you need to pave over that pothole in Tom Brady's chin. Or, call the insurance, lizard, cause you got some hail damage on your chin, Tom Brady. I got a lot of solid chin-related put-downs teed up for Sunday. And, you just heard both of them. But I can't blame Tom Terrific for Deflategate. I was him once. When I hit my late 30s, I lost a step too. I stopped chasing the broads with the big double Ds and went after the more modest D cups. They're easier to get your mitts around and they fit in your mouth better. And we all know and trust that the New England Patriots would never do nothing illegal. I'm sure the trainer accidentally set the pigskins down on Bella Jerk's blow darts, and maybe the rattlesnake venom burned a hole through the leather. It was an honest mistake, come on. And Bellinard had nothing to do with it. He was too busy focusing on how to poison the opposing team's water cooler with LSD and laxatives. As much as I hate Bill Belichick, and I do hate him, he is a coaching legend. Someday in Canton, we're gonna read his famous, inspiring words etched into granite. We're looking forward to Seattle next question. Listen, I'm tired of talking about whether or not Tom Brady's balls are firm enough. I almost made it through this without a ball joke, but I couldn't let my fans down. The bottom line is, you know why I'm here. The Seahawks are Carl's Stone Cold Super Lock of the Super Century or the Super Bowl.